Quickly access a SATA SSD or HDD. Connect to a 2.5 inches SATA SSD, solid-state drive, or HDD, hard disk drive, to add storage, perform backups, create disk images, recover data, and transfer content to your laptop. For 3.5 inches drives, please see our USB 3.1.2 SATA 3. Fast transfer speeds. The SATA to USB adapter supports USB 3.0 data transfer speeds of 5 gigabits per second over USB-A. Plus you can experience transfer speeds up to 70% faster than conventional USB 3.0 when connected to a computer that also supports UASP. Connect from anywhere. The hard drive USB adapter cable is a portable solution that tucks away nicely in a laptop bag with no external power required. Save time. The hard drive transfer cable lets you conveniently swap between drives with no need to install the drive inside an enclosure. Just plug and play into a USB-A host system. The IT Pro's choice. Designed and built for IT professionals, this USB 3.0 to SATA cable is backed for 2 years, including free lifetime 24/5 multilingual technical assistance. Top reviews from the United States. Works good, just be smart with what you use it for. Works good, just be sure to only use it on devices that USB can power, like hard drives. Disk drives or other high-power devices may or may not turn on. If you can't power something, test it on a lower power device. USB can only give so much power, so it is not the device if it works then. And not every device works with USB drivers. All new, normal, quality devices should work with USB drivers, but some older ones may not. In short, make sure your device can work over USB before buying. But if it can work over USB, this cable will work for you.